We'll guide you through how to share your location on WhatsApp on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do because perhaps trying to go and meet up with somebody and so you want to go and share your location, we're going to guide you through this. You can do it just as a one-off, or you can do it so you can go and be followed live as well for a certain amount of time. We're going to guide you through the different options you've got, so make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So to get started, go and open up the chat you want to do this in on WhatsApp. So let's go and say I want to do it in this one here. I could go and tap on it. If you don't currently have one with the person, press the create button in the bottom right. This then goes and opens up. Now what you can do is you can come over to the right here and you're going to see a paperclip to the right of the message box. Tap there and this opens up. Now what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for location. You can go and tap there. We're going to need to go and give permission for WhatsApp to access our location, so you can press continue. You can then go and choose precise or approximate. I would advise using precise, and you can go and press while using the app. It now has access to your location, so it's going to go and show you it here. As you can see, it's now located mine. Just for privacy, I'm just going to go and zoom it out like so. What you can do is you can go and share your live location, or you can go and send your current location, so it won't be live, it will just be that where you currently are, or you can go and choose a location here as well. So choose what you want to do. Let's go and say I want to do live location. I'll tap that there and press continue. Then you can go and choose the time frame here, so you can go and do 50 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, and let's go and say I want to do 50 minutes. I could add a comment, and then you can go and press send in the bottom right, and the location will then go and be sent. Alternatively, you can just go and send one of these locations here as well, and it'll go and be sent like that. So some different ways it can be done. If you found this useful, then leave a like. I look forward to helping you again.